Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Civil Services and Aspiration. So today is 23rd August 2020 and firstly let's see the history of the day. So on this day means on 23rd August in 1967 the spacecraft Lunar Orbiter took the first picture of the earth from the moon's orbit. The first robotic unmanned vehicle sank by the US space agency NASA and it was sent in the same year means in 1967 on 10th August. Now let's see the current affairs part. So the first question of the current affair is which bank has recently launched green deposit program? हाल ही में किस बैंक ने ग्रीन डिपॉजिट प्रोग्राम शुरू किया है? Guys, if you know the answers, please do tell in the comment section. And let me tell you, the answer is HSBC Bank. And under this new initiative, the bank will finance green initiatives such as renewable energy, clean transportation, pollution prevention control, green building, sustainable development, and waste management, and many other environmental friendly projects. Now, let's see the second question. So, which institution has won the prestigious Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Trophy? किस संस्थान ने प्रतिष्ठित मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आज़ाद ट्रॉफी जीती है? एंड द आंसर इज Punjab University Chandigarh has won by gaining 11.582 points in the inter-university competition, Khelo India Youth Games, Khelo India University Games and international competition for the 1920 session. This have helped the Punjab University to win this prestigious award. Now let's see the third question. So due to Corona, the National Award Sports Festival Riddle Bar virtual award ceremony will be held in the country. So national awards are given by whom? कोरोना के कारण देश में राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार खेल समारोह में पहली बार अवार्ड समारोह आयोजित किया जाएगा. तो खेल पुरस्कार किसके द्वारा दिए जाएंगे? एंड द आंसर इज प्रेसिडेंट विल गिव द अवार्ड. एंड ड्यू टू कोरोना द नेशनल अवार्ड्स पोस्ट Festival Riddle Bar virtual award ceremony will be organized in the country and this sports award will be given on the National Sports Day on 29 August. The name of the total player is 62 on which the awards are given. Now the fourth question is which app has been launched by Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari? सड़क परिवहन और राजमार्ग नितिन गडकरी ने कौन सा ऐप लॉन्च किया है? And the answer is the app is Green Path. And the Union Road Minister and Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari has launched the Green Path app for e-tagging of trees while reviewing the use of modern and green technologies in road project. He described the need of the time for mobile app Green Path to monitor the work of the internal planting of geotagging and web-based GIS-based monitoring tools. Now let's see the last question and the fifth is which state government has launched Indira Rasoi Yojana? किस राज्य सरकार ने इंदिरा रसोई योजना शुरू की है? And the answer is the Rajasthan state government has started this initiative and its Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot gave the poor people only 8 rupees the full lunch launched by the Indira Rasoi Yojana to provide quality nutritious food in India. The meal will contain 100 gram of pulses, 250 grams of chapati, 100 gram of vegetables and pickles. So this is the current affairs part. Now let's see the answers of yesterday questions which I have asked from you. So the first question was in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2020 ranking was declared as the cleanest city on the banks of river Gange. So the answer is Indore has been the cleanest city in the India. And the second question which I have asked was who has been appointed as the new election commissioner of India? So the answer is Rajiv Kumar has been appointed as the new election commissioner. Now let me give you the questions for today which you have to answer in the comment section. So the first question is who launched Alekh, a quarterly e-newsletter on health and nutrition? And the second question for you is, where is Yasukuni shrine is located, which was recently seen in these news? So guys, these are the two questions which you have to answer in the comment section if you know. Otherwise, in the next video, I am going to tell the answers of these two questions. Till then, thank you for watching our video. And if you like it, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updated videos. And don't miss to hit the bell icon.